Hi, here's a bit of fun. So, Nvidia have got results on Wednesday. Now, given the massive demand there is for this, and I'm not going to gamble on what's going to happen, but just imagine if, just look in the next month, shall we? Not even 2 months. Can it do that? Yeah. What about going astronomical? What about ballistic over the next 4 weeks? Well, that might be bit optimistic. How about that? Uh, yeah, no, one of two things will probably happen. Obviously, it'll go ballistic to the north, might not meet expectations, go ballistic to the south, or just do nothing and go insipid. Where's my money? Well, my money is I'm holding. I'm certainly not selling what I hold because we're sitting on a big fat profit from last year of, where are we now actually with Nvidia? It is now 256% return on that. I don't gamble around earnings, so I'm not going to do it. But you can all tell me on Thursday whether I should have done, and and I can look back and say, "Damn, we missed 41% more." Like I said, I don't gamble on earnings, so it's not my thing. But am I buying more right now? No. Would I buy more if I didn't own it? No, because it's overbought. Am I selling before earnings? No. Do I continue to hold? Yes. That's it.